Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add tags to YouTube video in YouTube Studio. Now I'm in my YouTube Studio right now. I want to add tags to it, so what I'm going to do is this is the video I want to add tag to. I tap on the pen icon that opens up this part, video details. Because I already launched I've already uploaded the video before, so I now scroll down to tags. You click on it and you're supposed to add your tag. Now I use rapid tags. You can use any other one you have. Type, just put in the name of the video and it will generate a tag for you, and then you click on copy tags. Now once you've done that, you click on video details, you go there and you right click and you paste. So this is the first place we paste our tag. Second place we paste our tag is you click on show more here, then you scroll down, you see the space for tags, then you right click right there, click on paste, and that's it. Now if it shows red like this, it means your tags have exceeded the allowed character count. So just cancel out one you don't need and then click on save. And it is as simple as that. Give it a few seconds and it says changes have been saved, so your tags has been added. Hope you found this video helpful.